Every one of our bikes is practically identical, from the race bike to the practice bike to the test bike. They all use the same motor specs and suspension settings. Some of the most unique pieces on our bikes are the factory or SR parts, our term in the shop for those rare and hard-to-get items. We source these directly from Japan or from specialized vendors outside our usual industry contacts. One example is our carbon fiber manufacturer, who isn't typically involved in motorsports. We actually pay for custom molds to produce parts like water pump guards, skid plates, disc guards, brake protection, and master cylinder covers. Our team designs these in-house, then collaborates with our carbon guy to produce exclusive, one-off components tailored to our bikes. In addition to that, we also create certain Unobtanium parts right here at our Kawasaki race shop in Southern California. This includes all our CNC parts, like this one-piece foot peg that's designed, machined, and kept in-house. We receive the raw material, and our CNC expert Jeremy machines each piece to our exact specifications. You'll see these unique components all over the bike: engine plugs, bolts, many from Japan, and some titanium bits that we customize for our needs, including different bolt head sizes, number-stamped master cylinder caps, and SR logos. Jeremy also makes our whole shot device, from the button to the ring, and even small pieces like brake line guides and those drilled-out washers and axle blocks. All these details come together to create a bike that's fine-tuned for our racing needs. A highlight of our setup is the factory Showa suspension. These top-tier parts come directly from Japan and represent the best available technology. We're currently using a BFR shock that's great for Supercross, and it's cool to see it working well in that environment. A few custom touches make this bike uniquely Adam's. When he got back to riding this season, he switched back to the fat bar, which he finds more comfortable. He also uses full waffle renthal grips, which is rare since most riders prefer no waffle or half waffle grips. Adam's bigger hands and comfort preferences made this a better fit for him. Adam's pretty relaxed about things like bar heights and lever positions, but I still measure everything to ensure it's accurate to within a millimeter. His head pipe, made by Pro Circuit for this SR bike, is a bit longer than Jason's setup. It has slightly different engine characteristics that Adam prefers. Polishing up these titanium pieces is a detailed process. I start with an acid bath, then move on to Scotch-Brite and sandpaper. It takes time and involves multiple steps to get that final shine you see on the frame and brake pedal. For titanium parts, we use small rock tumblers, which bring out an even shinier finish. Bigger parts like master cylinders and calipers go into larger tumblers, while bolts are polished in bulk for about a day. This media doesn't damage the ED.